Somebody told me, and I shared this with a few of you, these are the times when especially people remember how other people made them feel, right?
Mm-hmm.
To the details of maybe exactly what's going on out in the world, right? They will remember years and decades from now when they're telling their grandchildren, they'll remember, oh, my teacher got online and chatted with me. My teacher got online and read a story to me. You know, my teacher cared enough that he or she or they were posting all these assignments. They cared enough to do that work, even though they weren't there physically in my presence.
So what I did this time was I pre-recorded something just for you guys. So sit tight, and afterwards you can let me know what you think. There was an old farmer who owned an old horse, and the horse was blind. Once a month, the old farmer would load up a wagon with tons of stuff, and each month, this old horse, this old blind horse, would manage to get the stuff to market for the farmer. Well, one month, as usual, the farmer had loaded up his wagon with a ton of stuff, and they were on a road. He and his old horse were on a road heading to market when they encountered. So I think the important thing for us to keep remembering is we're in this together. And maybe we didn't reach out to one another when we were in one another's physical presence. Maybe, you had people you ate with in the lunchroom, in the break room, or you had people that you hung out with in certain parts. But this time calls for something a little different. No, this time calls for something a lot different. So I would really encourage all of you to reach out to one another.